Along the shore near my home in the northeastern U.S., I rarely see seabirds that spend most of their lives over the oceans. Some migrating waterfowl are seen only in their drab winter plumage. Does this red-throated loon ever really have a red throat? And do horned grebes ever grow horns? This past June, I traveled to Iceland to see birds nesting in the subarctic Atlantic. Iceland's long coastlines, fjords, cliffs, waterfalls, and grasslands are home to numerous seabirds, waterfowl, and shorebirds, many not seen in the northeastern U.S. In the waters at and beyond Iceland's coastline are many whales and seals. See these gray seal pups jockeying for comfortable positions. And there are thousands of birds on seaside cliffs. Nesting grounds for black-legged kittiwakes. Here is one on a nest, and another tending to its egg. Nearby, common murres nest in closely packed groups on the cliffs. Including this bridled morph with a white eye ring and line extension. Northern fulmar, a tube-nosed seabird, is rarely seen on land except when nesting. See these fulmars with highly developed soaring capabilities hovering near nest sites by leveraging updrafts along the cliffs. Burrows dug in the ground along tops of cliffs adjacent to the sea serve as nests for Atlantic puffins. The puffin's color-plated beak stands out in contrast to its black and white body. Bright orange legs and webbed feet act as a rudder, as well as helping to propel this bird underwater, along with flapping wings. Puffins also nest in rock crevices and cliffs by the ocean. Here one is communing with razorbills, other cliff dwellers that mostly breed in Iceland but winter along the eastern U.S. coast. See the precious egg between these two razorbills. Great skua, a powerful and aggressive seabird, nests on grass mounds and winters at sea in the North Atlantic. Parasitic jaeger is a similar seabird that winters off Argentina. The grassy areas where this Arctic fox was spotted are also nesting grounds for waterfowl and shorebirds. Arctic terns are very common and fiercely guard their nesting areas. Whooper swans with cygnets are often seen. As are gray-lag geese with goslings. Shorebirds with long beaks diligently protect their ground nests. Watch an alarmed black-tailed godwit, a common snipe guarding from a post, and a common redshank announcing its presence from higher ground. An oystercatcher and a whimbrel with a curved beak lurk nearby. Whitewater streams and rivers are nesting grounds for some ducks. See the harlequin ducks dive fearlessly, and a pair of Barrow's golden eyes move gracefully in a calmer area. Red-necked phalarope, a dainty but feisty shorebird, is found in turbulent rivers, quiet ponds, at the shore, and even in the woods. This horned grebe, having changed from drab winter to colorful breeding plumage, is on a nest with 2 eggs. And finally, I get to see the golden horns. A red-throated loon displays its red patch on the throat and fine stripes on the back of its neck. Here is one on a nest, and another with its drab black loonlet. Both will fly south for the winter with subdued black and white plumage. As I travel back home, from the comfort of my Airbus window seat with a clear view of northern seas and the remoteness of Greenland and Labrador coasts, I marvel at the capabilities and bravery of ocean-going birds that are at home in such territories.